We all want to be comfortable, and we know air conditioning makes life so much better when the temps are high outside. To walk inside the cool, refreshing air is just amazing. The purpose of this video is to show the basic operation of an RV air conditioner. This just happens to be our AC unit, and there are other models. However, this operation for these is pretty much the same. Hot air in and cool air out, to put it simply. So, first the hot air from inside the trailer is pulled up by a fan into this end of the unit. And while you have the cover off the unit, there's only just a few screws, by the way, to take the covers off most units. This particular unit had 4 screws, one on each corner. You just take those off. You might want to take a picture of this information here, listed here. It gives you information about the air conditioner, and that way if you ever do need to order parts or tell somebody what kind of air conditioner you have, you should have the serial number and model number listed here. So you're going to remove the screws from around the corners. In this particular case, it was a Phillips head screwdriver, and there was quite a few, as you can see by the arrows. Here's a little close-up of where those screws came out. Once all the screws are removed, this top should come off really easily. So if it's hung up, make sure you've got all the screws out. For safety, of course, make sure you've turned all the power off. Protect the roof from sharp edges. And, of course, wear some sort of leather gloves to protect your hands. So this hole leads down inside the trailer, and this is what it looks like when you take that cover off. And so the hot air comes up from the trailer. It's then pulled through this radiator looking thing, which is called an evaporator. There's a, it's kind of not the best picture, but there's a squirrel cage fan right inside here, and it is what pulls that air through the evaporator. After the air is pulled through the evaporator and cooled off, it's then passed down back into the trailer using the same fan. Then the fan, it pushes it back, as I said. And there's a gas coolant that's ran through this canister, which cools the evaporator. The heated coolant runs in these lines and then through the condenser, which is located at the opposite end. And then there's a fan at this end that blows air over those heated condenser coils to cool them, or fins rather. The cooled liquids then return to the evaporator, and the process repeats all over again. And the idea of this video is just a simple overview of the air conditioner, how it operates. It's really relatively simple from the 50,000 foot view, of course. There's a lot more to it that's going on, but the basic operation, pretty simple. Thank you for watching today.
We want to thank you for watching today. We really do appreciate you stopping by and watching our video. Please put your comments below. Any ideas, things you'd like to see, just comments about the videos. Much appreciated. Join us on Instagram at just.let.me.travel. And as always, please ring the bell, subscribe if you're not already a subscriber, so that you can be notified of new videos. We will be traveling and doing RV renovations and just whatever we can come up with. Who knows? So new videos every week. And again, thank you so very much for joining us today.